Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz token. In my previous video, I showed you in this video that the price line of Chiliz formed one symmetrical triangle in two harmonic moves. And this was the previous harmonic move that I shared at the Patreon, that the price line of Chiliz formed a godly pattern with the Bitcoin pair. And I was expecting up to 54% pump from the potential reversals on of this bullish godly pattern. Let me to play this chart and show you what the price action did. Before this, I shared this bullish cipher pattern that was perfectly executed, and then I shared in my previous video this godly pattern that the price action completed. And this chart I shared on 2nd of May. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, because here you will find a lot more other trading ideas I'm sharing, then I have shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let me to play this chart, and you can see that it moved down in this buying zone here and reversed bullish. That was more than 33% pump, and now it is moving sideways here. Now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, let me show you the previous triangle first. At that time, you can see that the price line was moving in this symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame, and we were also having the 50 simple moving average resistance as well, and the price action was at the support. And I told you that we are having very strong support zone from 23.5 cents to 18 cents. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price action did a fake out here. It moved down but reversed back, entered in this triangle back, and broke out the resistance of this triangle, same as like the Bitcoin did. Now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, this is the same live chart, and here we can see that now we have a very nice support of 50 simple moving average, and the price action is moving down to retest this previous resistance of the triangle. It might retest this previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and from here, after confirmation, it will start the next move towards the upside. And we still have a very strong support zone that is 23.5 cents to 18 cents, and you can see that the price action well consolidated above this level, and now it has broken out this symmetrical triangle that was formed after this strong bearish move in the mid of May. Now if we move to the smaller time frame on the hourly time frame chart, at the same time when the price action has broken out this resistance of the triangle and going down to retest this previous resistance as a support, it has also formed a falling wedge pattern that is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community, and it is moving down to retest the support of this falling wedge, and from here it might move towards the upside. And in case of breakout from this falling wedge pattern, our next target, the imminent target, can be on the smaller time frame. That will be the tail of this falling wedge that is approximately at 27.5 cents. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame, this is a very big this will be a very big breakthrough if we will break out, the price line will break out this EMA 21. This red one is the exponential moving average 21, and this blue one is the exponential moving average 10. And we can see that while the price action is being consolidated above this level, it has a very strong resistance of EMA 10 and 21 on the weekly time frame chart. And once the price line will be able to cross up this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart, then a real bull run will be started. Like previously we have seen that when the price action broke out this EMA 21 here, the price line was moving approximately at 1.3 cents and rallied up to 94 cents. That was more than 7,000% big pump just from the end of December 2020 to the March 2021. In a very short time frame, it rallied more than 7,000% and dropped down again and broke down this EMA 21 and 10. Now at the same time, we have already seen in my previous video as well, I'm just going to share this chart again with you, that the price action has again formed another big bullish reversal harmonic bat move on the weekly time frame chart that I have shared here at the Patreon, and I'm just going to show you the target for this chart. As per the Fibonacci sequence, our sell targets can be from 43.3 cents to 76.7 cents. However, from such a big bullish reversal, from such a big bullish potential reversals of the big bad pattern, the price action can even try to break out the previous resistance, that was the final resistance we have here at 90 cents, because the price action rallied up to 94 cents. But on the daily time frame chart, we have more touch points at 90 cents. Therefore 90 cents will work as a strong resistance. I'm talking about the final resistance, even though we have so many other resistance levels as well, and those resistance levels can be seen on the daily time frame chart. However, once the price line will break out this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame, it will be very easy for the price action to break out those resistance level and even attempt to break out the final resistance of 90 cents as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.